Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Melanie Villamayor, single parent. I have one daughter, 16 years old. I am college undergraduate in Bachelor of Elementary Education. I am certified caregiver too with basic nursing skill knowledge, giving CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation, concerning baby care and elderly caregiving. I have wonderful work experience abroad in Hong Kong for 3 years, working in one family, members of 4, they are working couple, and have 2 children. My house duties are cleaning the house, cooking, washing clothes, washing dishes, ironing, and marketing. My priority work is taking care of their kids. I cook and prepare healthy food for them, feeding them, helping them to take bath, change clothes, brush teeth, and go to school. I took them to school and picked them after school. I help them to do their homework, counting numbers, teaching them in basic English grammar, differentiate shapes and colors, and organizing fun creative activities. I keep them safe always. I played with them and read stories. I took care of them properly. I love kids. To all employer, mom and sir, please give me a chance to work in your family. I promise I will do my best. I am hardworking, trustworthy, reliable, honest, and I will love your kid as my own too. Hope to see you soon. Thank you and God bless.